What's up YouTube, this is Mr. Janellis. Welcome to my channel where we talk about saving, making, and investing our money. So if you like to do any of those three things, this channel is a great channel for you. So don't waste any time. Subscribe to the channel right now and click the like button if you would like for me to make more videos like that for you. So without further delay, let's just get into the topic of the day. So we're gonna talk about how I use Acorns to make and save money at the same time. A lot of people have been sleeping on Acorns. They don't believe that Acorns is a good way to invest their money, and also they don't really use it as a savings account or anything as such. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I use Acorns to save my money and how I make money using Acorns. Acorns is an app where they automatically invest your spare change for you. Let's just say you have a couple of big accounts that you do transactions on a daily basis, and you could link those accounts like an Acorns account where you actually round any amount that you spend and then invest the spare change for you. For example, let's just say you spend a total of $1.90, right? So they'll basically round it to $2 and take that $10 difference and invest it for you over time through many transactions where you get to like $5. They take that $5 and just invest it for you, and you could get a return on your investment by investing like that. You could also set a daily limit, a daily recurring limit, where you could basically do like $5, $10, $15, $20, or even $200. It all depends on your financial situations and how much money you actually want to save on a monthly or daily basis. For example, I picked to do the spare change and also put $20 as a recurring payment to my account to invest for me as well, because I told myself if I could spend $20 on food every day, I could also set aside $20 as well to save and invest money that way. You could also use that money from Acorns for like an emergency fund, or you could use it as a way to pay for your taxes at the end of the year if you make a lot of money. When tax season arrives, you don't really have to basically go crazy about finding money to pay your taxes. You could just use the Acorns, the money on the Acorns account, and I've done it multiple times. Let me just go on the app right now and I'm gonna show you exactly how much I got invested. I'm currently sitting at $1,169, and the only reason why it's at that amount is because that, you know, tax season just passed and I had to take money out to pay for my tax because I owe money to the IRS. You already know how they go. You know, whatever you owe Uncle Sam, you gotta pay it back, or else he coming for everything that you got. So I had to withdraw the money so I could pay my taxes. So if you look at it right now, I have the automatic roundups set up, and I have the recurring payment on $20 daily. And regular checking and savings account, the way that is easily accessible, Acorns is not the same way. Let's just say when you go to your bank, you get your money immediately, but on Acorns, it's probably gonna take you 3 to 5 business days for you to get your money. That's why I'll say that that's probably a safer way to save your money. That way it won't push you to basically get the money whenever you want. So the fact that it prevents you from getting it right away, I feel like a lot of people that are not disciplined enough will actually use that method instead. That way they won't have an urge to take the money out. Acorns also offer different ways you could actually make some more money, such as like sharing your link with someone. So if you would like to basically use Acorn and you don't have the account yet, you could just go in the description below. You will see my link. You could basically take that link and just sign up for Acorns. Start to save your money and invest your money that way. But now if I'm showing you right now, it shows you that they will invest $600 into your account if you invite 3 people. Let's just say you have 3 friends. All you got to do is just basically tell them about it, and then Acorns will deposit $600 into your account if you actually follow the steps that they provide on the description. That's all I have for you guys. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you would like to learn more about finances and also make money, save money, and investing. this is the right channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, okay?